Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shireen. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make mandala coaster. So before that I would like to ask that hope everybody is safe and you are taking care of yourself. So in this coaster I'll be using blue color, which I always use because it looks really attractive. So I have used mica powders. The details of the products will be in the description box below. So I have used the darker blue and the lighter one. So in the center I'm pouring resin with glitters. As you can see, it looks so pretty because I wanted the center to be a little transparent and only glitter should be visible. So this is how it looks while pouring, and as we all know, when it sets it looks really different. So that is the magic of resin, you know that. So this is, you can see the colors are looking so pretty, and after 24 hours you can see this is looking amazing. I totally love it. But this is the back side of the coaster. As you all know, we are making mandala coaster, so the design of mandala is here. As you can see, it's looking pretty, but the design is not visible because of the colors. So to pop up the design, what we can do is we can use any color. So I have used a golden acrylic paint, which I'll be using in a bit. You can use white, you can use silver, it depends, it totally depends on you. So this is Maya Gold. It's a brand which I got it from Oman. I'm not sure whether you can get it anywhere else, but you can use any acrylic gold paint. I like this gold, that's why I'm using it. So I started scrubbing it with my fingers. I thought it'll be good, means it would work. Then I am rubbing it with the tissue paper. I've used a wet tissue so that the excess acrylic paint should be removed, and the paint should go in the grooves of the design only, so that the design should be visible and should be pop, and it should pop. So I started with fingers, but after a while my fingers were really hurting. So I think that was not a good idea because this is the first time I was doing it, so I had no idea how to use it. But I was still trying it to put the colors in the grooves and just rubbing it off all over. Then I was using tissue paper, the wet one, and clearing the excess gold paint. Then I came up with an alternative, that to use the brush so that the color can go in the grooves properly, because with my fingers it was not going into. So as you can see, I'm just tapping the brush in the grooves and the color is going well. I think this is a great idea. So my idea, the alternative, really worked. So I'll just keep on doing it. I have shown you the entire procedure so that nothing should be missed out. It's just a high speed, but nothing is means I have not cut the shot, so that I want that everything should be visible and should be done in front of you. So as you can see, I've painted the entire coaster with gold. Now I'm using wet tissue to scrape off the excess gold color from the coaster, and you can see the design is visible now, and it is looking so pretty. You can see the close-up look of it. I'm trying to remove the excess from the sides, and this is the spray bottle. In this, the water is there, or you can use alcohol also. That'll also work, because I've tried with alcohol. It works really great, and it makes the work easier and faster. So I'm just still trying and removing. I've changed the tissue paper because it was ripped, so try to use a best quality tissue paper. And then it was not working with the tissue because the excess, the scrapes of the tissue was going in the groove. So I've used this cloth, and with the cloth I'm scraping off the paint. As you can see now, with the cloth it's working really nice. So I think I should have used the cloth before. Since I've told you that this was the first time I was using it, I had no idea how to do it, but now I have got the idea that if you want to paint the color, use the brush, not your finger. And to scrape off the paint, don't use the tissue because it will uh, be torn. Instead, use the cloth, any rough cloth you have in the house. I'm sure we all have got the rough ones present everywhere. So you can use any cloth. I'm using my t-shirt right now, which I don't wear it, of course, which is the older one. So now it is done, and you can see it is looking so pretty. I like the backside more, but this is also pretty. I hope you liked my short and sweet mandala coaster tutorial, and I hope you all will try it. I'll mention all the details in the description box below about the material and the mold. So this is how you can use it, and it looks really pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.